Santa brought something for Chloe.
For me?
Yeah, that says, Merry Christmas, Chloe. Love, Santa. Wow.
Papa, let's play. Uh-huh.
Wow. What's that?
That?
That's a pacifier for a dolly.
Wow, look at all the presents. They're in a lift.
Baby.
There's a baby doll.
Yeah, there's a baby.
That rocks back and forth. Yeah, you can rock the baby.
Wow, what do you think
Wow.
about that, Chloe?
You like it?
I like it.
Wow, look at that. Kinds of stuff.
That's crazy all the time.
Yeah.
It's your own kitchen.
Yeah, that's a nice kitchen Santa brought you.
My kitchen there. My kitchen that's crazy.
Yeah, it's got a sink on the top. That's your stove. Wow. Oh, let's see. We got a ribbon there. You want to take the ribbon down? Let's put it up here. There we go.
Is this my phone?
Yeah, that's your phone.
Oh.
Is there pots and pans?
Papa, let's play.
Oh my
Papa,
goodness.
let's play at baby. Let's go.
Yeah, got baby too.
Yeah. Show her how that rocks back. Here, look, it's a cradle, honey.
Yeah.
You rock the baby.
Good night, baby. Her eyes are closed.
You can take her out.
Take her out. Lift her up. So she's sleeping. There you go. Lift her up.
Take your baby. There she is.
Oh.
Wow. She's pretty.
It's pretty. Look at it. Papa, baby.
Okay.
What's she got in there? She got a pillow and a blankie?
Hey,
Yeah, that's a special baby doll blankie, huh?
That's a sippy cup.
Yeah, sippy cup. It's when she's thirsty.
I'm so sad about the baby owl.
You can do it. There you go. Good job, Polly.
These are so new.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go and go and take out all this
Okay.
in the middle. I get it electricity.
Gonna make baby some breakfast?
Yeah, I'll be ready. But
Oh, good. That's a good mommy.
Chloe, can you look at Mommy and say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas!
Okay.